A correct balance between training and recovery leads to adaptations of the human body. Monitoring this training process is essential to optimize performance and reduce injury risk. The main advantage of this sensor setup is that it focuses on the lower extremities of athletes and thereby provides additional information to current monitoring systems in the field. Team sports like soccer and hockey are characterized by fast changes of directions, accelerations and decelerations. This requires a specific sensor setup.
Muscle injuries are a serious problem in team sports, and we think with this method we can reduce this type of injuries and at the same time enhance performance.
Demonstrators of the procedure will be Bram Bastiaansen and Erik Wilmes, PhD students on our team.
Obtain written informed consent from subjects that meet the inclusion criteria. Have the subject fill out a questionnaire about their background in team sports. Obtain information about the subject's gender, age, body weight, and height. After the subject has changed into sports clothing, align all IMUs next to each other and push a button on top of the sensor to activate the IMUs. The sensor is activated when the green light blinks. Then, tap all of the IMUs together on a hard surface to ensure that a mechanical peak has been generated. Before attaching the IMUs, shave the subject's body hair at the sacrum between both posterior superior iliac spines, at the anteromedial part of both the right and left tibia, and at the lateral.